Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And I'm playing Bee Simulator today. This is also gonna be kind of like a series. And I also played a little bit because it was so fun I couldn't stop. So I played a lot. And I apparently have 7 bees. No, I think I have 6. I think I have 7 bees. I have 7 bees. And I have gone to the 5th. I have got in through my bees level. And look, Mr. Panda Bear. I'm completing Mr. Panda Bear's request. He's from the bamboo fields. Oh, also, Chuck's playing with me again.
Yes.
Cause what? He's fun. He's kind of fun. And I actually love this game. It's pretty good. Also got a new backpack. Did not get did not get a new tool. Probably the dumbest idea I've ever had. But did not get a tool. I got a new backpack.
Yeah, I do have to get a tool.
I have scissors. Not the best tool.
I have completed it.
Whoa, my bees keep making this stuff. I don't know what it is. Oh, I'm full. I'm gonna go ahead and make some honey. And I have finished Mr. Panda Bear's task. And let me just go make honey and go back to Mr. Panda Bear. Make honey!
Where's the clover field?
The chlorophyll's up there.
Okay, that's a clover around.
Yeah. And wow, that's a lot of honey. I'm gonna get another tool if I possibly can. Do I have treats? Yeah, I do have treats. And I have royally jelly. Let's see. Shop. I need a new tool, not a backpack. Let's get this magnet. Oh, I can't get the vacuum cleaner though. Magnet. Let me see what's the best thing. Nothing. Well, I got a new thing. I got a new tool and I got a new backpack. I just got the new backpack, by the way. Ooh, a tweet. Honey. I don't know why I'm doing this when I have enough. I'm gonna go to Mr. Panda Bear. Also, like the next level I need, let's see how many bees, 15? No way, 15? Oh, no, 10. I have 7, so I'm gonna go to the goal. I have actually won another one, because I have royally jelly for it. Yay, maybe killed them. Oh, what is this? I don't know what it is. How do I give it to Mr. Panda Bear? Here. Mr. Panda Bear, I'm coming. Hello. Talk to Mr. Panda Bear. Let's see what he gives me. I've got another one, but he didn't give me anything. Ah, that's mean, Mr. Panda Bear. So he wants me to kill a ladybug. I think it's a way over there. I'm doing only Panda Bear's task. Not like rest of them, no. No boy. Oh, I went to... Whose task is this though? Oh, honey! I need all of it.
No. Because you're so fast, she's not able to take it.
No, wait, there are tickets also.
So much. Damn it.
Okay. Who's this?
My goal is
Mr.
that.
Bamboo. What is going on? I'm getting free stuff.
I got some flashy as well.
I got a sunflower seed too. Cool, what is that? Oh, I know these things.
What's the type of royal jelly?
Huh?
I got a royal jelly.
From where?
I got some tickets from it. I think some tickets.
Got from tickets?
That's crappies.
Oh my gosh, there. Okay, that's enough. Who is this? Let me go empty my honey though. Oh, this dude's got a lot of tweets. I'm gonna feed all my tweets to my little babies. Birdies, sorry, my little bees. I forgot where they were. Big honey. I'm gonna feed them all to my best bee. Where's my best bee? I can't see them. Who is my best bee? This one, yes. I'm guessing. I have no idea. Oh yeah, that was my newbie, and it. No, I fed it to the wrong bee. I fed 9 tweets to the wrong bee. This was the right bee. Damn it. It's fine. All 4. What's that? And see, what do we want again? Oh, we want to check out these. I have all these completed.
Make me my honey. I'm gonna go get myself a beef.
Okay.
I'm running to.
That's a lot of treat. I mean, that's a lot of honey. So I can get another bee. But I'm gonna get... First, let me go to Mr. Bear. I think I finished my task. I don't want to get more tasks. Yes! I'm not gonna get another one from him. I'm just gonna listen to Mr. Panda Bear.
So yeah, now the bee.
Wow. So you got another bee?
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna get one soon. Yeah, I'm gonna get one. Get another one once I get Mr. Panda Bear's the task, and then finish it, and then come to collect more.
I got it.
Hi, Mr. Panda Bear. Hi, Mr. Panda Bear.
Is your computer?
Yes.
Then close this.
1 second. Recording. Stop.
Okay. I forgot to take a quest.
What's that by me?
Hmm?
Got 5 bee.
You have 5 bees.
Fire.
You got a what bee?
Fire.
Fire bee. Cool, even I have one. Get Mr. Panda Bear's task. And he wants us to defeat 2 rhinos. Okay. 2 rhinos? Where? Are those rhinos? Oh, they were rhinos, huh? Oh, they won't come till 4 minutes. Let's get some pollen till then. Oh, we also need the bee. So after collecting pollen, we are gonna... There's an automatic cloud flowering these... watering these flowers. So once my backpack's full, I'm gonna buy another bee and go. Make some honey! Dude, this person... Oh. Okay, let's go. That person has all the bees. Cool.
Dude, what's your fire bee level? Yeah, what's your fire bee level?
My fire bee? Which one? 5. 5. Yeah!
My God. 1,000 more threads.
I am going to buy an egg to hatch a bee. Wait, do bees hatch from eggs? I think they do. Let's go. Leave the
They
shop.
don't have eggs, I don't think they do have.
Yes, they do. There's a queen bee that lays eggs.
Oh, yeah, I know. Actually, yeah, that makes sense. I
Makes
never
sense?
thought it hatched from eggs.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
It's a rare bee. Let's see. I do have a royally jelly. That's why I'm going to use it. Use it. And I have a bumblebee. Let me see. Sorry, wrong one. My other bee was better than this. Oh, come on. Do you know where I can get better other royally jellies? You know, just like, get it. I'm doing, just do only Panda Bear's tasks, Chirag.
Yeah, no, I have to upgrade my shovel.
Chirag, do only Panda Bear tasks.
I finished my panda bear task right now.
Do all of only Panda Bear's tasks.
I think I'm gonna get a silver egg. Make my honey.
How do I get into this HQ? Well, I need 5 blue bees. I have only 2 blue bees. Because I can see only 2 blue bees in my sight.
I have 2 blue peas, 2 red peas.
Yes, I have 2 blue bees.
I have 2 white peas.
I still need how many do you need? Ultimately, I don't really know.
Let's go. Oh, I got a silver egg.
Oh, by the
Yes, the bear.
brown bear.
Come on, see my egg got hatched. Okay.
How many bees do you have again?
I now going to get 8.
Oh, cool. Do I already have 8? Maybe.
Oh, you have 8 peas already?
I don't know. Check it out.
No, you do.
I do.
Look at my silver bee. Come on, fast for ceremony.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
Give 1 second, I'm coming. Do you have royally jelly for it? Oh, can I have some royal? Where did you get some royal jelly? And where did you get tickets from? This is so hard to get.
No, remember that coin, all of those dropping when the sky was yellow, thingy, yeah.
Yeah.
Then I got it.
You have a bumblebee? Or is that mine?
Yeah, come on, I'm going to hatch it.
Okay, I'm looking.
It's gotta be next to my computer. It's gotta be bottom left corner. Sorry,
Okay.
bottom right corner.
Also do only... Yeah, I'm looking, dude. I'm just making some money meanwhile.
A cool rare.
I think you should keep it. I don't know. Because last time I traded my rare bee for a stupid one. Like, I got a stupid one from the royal jelly. I think you should do it though. If you want, you can do it. Just do it.
Now, look at the chances, like it says loyal jelly. You can transform it to rare, epic, or legendary.
Yeah, just try it, dude. Go ahead. Go for it. What'd you get?
I got an epic one.
Let me
Got
see.
a top. Look at it.
I'm looking. I'm trying to see where it is in the level chart.
My green color one with helmet. It has a helmet on it.
From where is it on? Okay, has a helmet on it? Dude, I don't get it. I don't see where it is.
It is yellow color with stripes in red.
What?
Finally.
No, dude, in the rarity list.
Oh, rarity list.
Yeah.
Let me check it out. It's epic. It's an epic, I believe. Yes.
In
It's
a,
a transform something.
I can't see.
I don't see it.
I don't really see any. I don't really see it.
Anyway.
Check out where it is.
Oh, the Commander B. Commander B. Strong nonsenses. Non-nonsense.
Does it go? Wait. Where is it?
Under Bumblebee. Buckpoke B.
Bumblebee? Where is Bumblebee?
That blue color thingy. Dude, come on.
I can't find. Oh, I found it. I found Bumblebee. I found Bumblebee.
Two under it is Commander B.
Oh, Commander B. That's green. That's green. How's it green? Okay, anyways. Let's see. I need to defeat another rhino. Only do panda bears tasks, Chirag.
Yes, Papa. Okay. In the video soon.
Dude, can't.
I have 4 tickets still remaining.
4 tickets.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes, already.
I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna do the task and then end the video. I know it's a pretty short video, but I'll try to upload more, you know.
Yes.
So let's do Panda Bear's task and see what it gives me. Honey, let's do another task. See what he gives.
Okay, I'm gonna leave.
Ladybugs and rhinos. Okay, Chirag has left. And bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.